Submitting the assignment as is wrong. Whether Justine knows or does not know that this work is plagiarized will not excuse her from any consequences that occur from the submission, since she is part of the group and it is submitted as a group assignment with expectations that the work was done together. One solution could be to ask the group if they agree whether they should contact the professor to ask for an extension, explaining that the group needs more time to complete the group presentation. They are potentially risking a late penalty and a penalty for the effectiveness with their group work, but avoiding a charge of academic misconduct and demonstrating honesty with their work. Another solution could include asking the group members to meet urgently, virtually or in person, to discuss concerns about the assignment. Sometimes your classmates will not realize what they have done, and other times they are fully aware of what they have done and have made choices that are not in their best interest or the best interest of the group. Either way, it is important to clarify and give opportunities to correct the issues. Having group members refer back to the rubric and the description of the assignment might help get everyone back on track. Anytime we hold ourselves and others accountable can be a challenge, and it may be hard to have that conversation with others, especially if they are our friends. If Justine talks with her group members and is unable to resolve the issue, she could also contact the professor to let her know the concerns with the quality of the group work, outlining the pieces that were plagiarized. Justine would also be showing courage by telling her group members that she will be talking with the professor.